organizing this industrial visit yesterday, where we came to know about the exact process that is put in place for making of product. Actually, till yesterday we were thinking that this organization has a very limited role. It is only about marking certain standards that need to be maintained with regard to different products in the market. But yesterday, it was practical for us to see the quality controls that need to be put in place while producing any product in any industry. And yesterday, we ourselves witnessed the manufacturing of cement and different brands of cement, the raw materials, the quality controls, the exact quantities that need to be, mixed, keeping in view the quality control and the BIS standards. So that was the process of this TCI manufacturing unit at Pampur, where different grades of cement are manufactured, 33 grade, 43, 53 grade. We came to know that actually there are 5 grades of cement that are manufactured at that particular plant. And we saw ourselves the limestone, the sandstones, the clay, the process of calcination, the packaging that is, and after that we paid a visit to the laboratory of that particular unit, where we practically saw how they control how they check the quality of the cement. Once the quality is approved, keeping in view the BIS standards, only then the product is approved for the marketing. So once again, we thank you for organization of that visit. Thank you.